touch this. You can't 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 touch this.
We're now going to explain the emergency procedures on this aircraft. The captain and the crew are here for your safety. It is important that you pay attention and follow instructions carefully. First, check your seatbelt is securely fastened. Insert the metal tag into the buckle and tighten by pulling on the loose end. To unfasten, simply lift up the metal flap on the buckle and pull apart. We suggest you keep your seatbelt fastened and visible during our flight, even when the sign is off. Your life jacket is either beside or underneath your seat. To use it, take it out of the container and place it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and tie them securely in a double bow at your side. Inflate your life jacket when you leave the aircraft. The life jacket is fitted with a light and a whistle. We will now explain how to leave the aircraft in an emergency. Move quickly to the closest usable exit, taking nothing with you. Emergency lighting, including floor-level lighting, will help you find your way to the exits. These are clearly signed. There are 2 exits at the rear of the aircraft and 2 at the front of each cabin section. Your crew will now point out the exits nearest to you. Opening the doors automatically inflates the evacuation slides. All electronic devices, including mobile phones, must be switched off, and all headsets must be removed whenever the engines are running on the ground during takeoff, approach and landing. Please ensure your mobile phone and any devices that can...
Attention all passengers, we are experiencing turbulence. Please put your seatbelts on. Attention all passengers, we are experiencing turbulence. Please put your seatbelts on. Attention all passengers, we are experiencing turbulence. Please put your seatbelt